Alright. Alright, Penny, let's do this. Penny is one of my favorites on Gumball, just in case you didn't know that. My friend Dakota really likes Penny. She's really cute. Except for when Darwin gets jealous. I'm gonna try to beat my high score, which is 261. Let's see. Gotta avoid all these aimbot things. Wait for that fireball to go by. Let's see. Got it. Got my shield bubble. Oh, that was close. Alright, let's see where we go. We're going to the face melter. But not Dave Meltzer. Not Dave Meltzer. That's right, Tim. Recruit that recruit. Watch out for the spikes. Gotta wait for that to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna try to take that elevator. And there we go.
Your history!
Drop down, break these blocks. Where's that? Let's go. Now they the Kansas Chiefs won. Kansas City Chiefs. Beat the Tennessee Titans. Right now the Packers are fighting the San Francisco 49ers. Looks like they're gonna lose. The Green Bay looks like they're gonna lose. Next Sunday, Brock Lesnar in the Rumble. By the time this recording comes out, the Rumble winner will probably happen, depending on how fast I upload this.
I'm not giving up yet!
I also like Penny because she runs with Kenny. Hope that's not strange for you guys watching. Subscribe to my brother Timothy Pro 10 on YouTube. Follow him on Twitch at Timmy Pro 10. I would tell you my friend Dakota's YouTube channel, but I forgot the SpongeBob character's name. Snitty Jorgen. Not Jorgen from PewDiePie's Minecraft. We all miss PewDiePie. He's on a break right now. He deserves it. Let's see, I'm gonna go in that door. Get some coins. Download Storyfire. Stay loot. Stay loot. Everybody download the WWE Network. Oh, I just lost my bubble. Dang it. Let's go. That was close. That was close. I'm not gonna be like Flamingo and scream into my mic. Tim, is it like ASMR? Oh, I died. Yeah. We got the 192, I think. Yeah. Time for a free gift. This is gonna be coins. I can't really get anything else. 100 coins, not bad. I'm gonna do another one on this recording. Alright, Penny. She's out of her shell. I'm currently on season 4. Couldn't watch the other night because Hulu was down. That's my brother Timothy Pro 10. He's currently playing Rainbow with his friends. Alright, Penny, I like how she changes color. Awesome detail. If you guys play this game, there's some things that are unfair. Like the elevator, sometimes they'll push you up to like one block and there's like nowhere else to go to the left or right. Alright, laser base X. We're gonna laser beam them. Subscribe to Laserbeam on YouTube. He's really funny. If you're looking for Fortnite content, subscribe to Tfue, Ninja, Meh. If you like contestant shows, where like they do competitions or eliminations, watch Total Drama Island, Cartoon Network show. Oh, I'm dead. Dang. I got the 69. I'm gonna play an ad. 27 seconds. Alright. The new Sonic movie. If there's music in this trailer, I'm probably gonna get a copyright strike knowing how strict YouTube is. Freaking crazy. Can't even enjoy a piece of chicken on YouTube no more. Stay lit, everybody. There we go. We're alive. Rip you off the spike. There we go. That was close. No, I just got killed. I only got up 6 more. What the heck? I hear that all the way from here. Who's eating? Which is who again on Xbox Gamer Tag? Sounds like he's eating a puddle. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. If you're looking for a show about a show that has a bunch of friends in it, obviously watch the show Friends. Good show. If you want a 1v1 bots now, you can go in Fortnite Battle Lab. It's really laggy though. Or you're lucky. You were on my account. Doing it.
You were lucky this time.
Laser Base X. Alright, Penny. Nice, let's go Penny. I like how Penny and Number together. Cute. Spam it. I'm spamming my thumb on the screen. If you want good food and good bread, go to your nearest Panera Bread. Oh, Dakota, you're going to be in my recording. Cool. I hope you like that. I sent him a filter of me dressed like Star Wars. A filter on Messenger. Come on, Spikes, get out of the way. And the fireball thing. That was close. That was close. I need to get out of here. Ooh, I'm trying to at least get to 100 if I'm gonna die. Oh crap. I'm nervous. There's not many options. Follow McJuggernuggets on Storyfire. If you're looking for a good cartoon on Hulu, go to your nearest Hulu and watch Amazing World of Gumball. I know, I was making a joke. I know, like a location, even though it's not a location, it's like its own little thingy, like Netflix. Go to your nearest Hulu account. Ooh, an elevator. Nice. I died, but I'll watch an ad to keep going. I could do that in my sleep, boy. Dakota, I will check your message after I die again. I'm dead. Oh crap, that was close. Let's go. I try my best on this game. I'm not the best player. There's actually someone that has the road record. I died. There was really not many things I could do. There were spikes and the aimbot thing. Well, if you enjoyed that video, I will make more, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to things we posted on YouTube. Subscribe to Dakota, even though I don't know his YouTube name anymore. He changed it to a SpongeBob character, like Smitty Durgan, whatever his name is. The next person I'll play as is Masami. I don't know if I'll have voice commentary for that or not. But keep watching, subscribe, like, whatever you want to do nowadays. And peace out. Timothy's going to be streaming, and stay alert, and stay lit, and everything in between. Deuces.